Hey guys, Gina here. Funny story to tell you and something awesome to show you. A couple of nights ago, Harrison and I pulled out our black Christmas tree so we could decorate it for Halloween. When we plugged it in, some of the light strands weren't working. Well, actually most of them weren't. I think there was only one strand that was still working. But it was one of these Christmas trees where it came with it. So I went to work and I started cutting all of the light strands out of the tree. And maybe an hour and a half later, and a couple of sore fingers, they were out of there. And it was a huge pile and a huge mess. I don't recommend doing it, but I'm super cheap, so. So I had these lights, and these are lights that I just picked up from one of the stores. They are purple or orange LED lights. You can't have them at the same time. It's steady on, there's no fun functions, and they're kind of big and bulky, but I went ahead and put them on there, and I wasn't happy because of how small this black tree is. You could see the cords and the wires, and I was just thinking, oh man, I'm gonna have to do a lot of decorating so we can disguise this. And you guys, I'm not even joking. As I'm looking at this tree, I get an email from a company saying, hey, we've got some fun Halloween lights. Would you like to check them out? And of course, because I'm actually in the process of decorating my tree, I went for it and I looked at them. The company that wrote me, their name is Alney. Now, they had all kinds of options for lights. They had orange lights, purple lights, white lights, clear, bright, warm, all kinds of them. But they also had an orange, green, and purple. Now, if you guys know me, I'm traditional black and orange, but I thought I would do something a little different, get out of my comfort zone and try orange, purple, and green. And they sent me 2 boxes of them, so I wanted to open them up and show you guys. First on the box, it says, no overheating, safe to touch, environment-friendly material, bright and glamorous. We want to bring sparkle to your life with our expansive range of decorative lights for all seasons and all reasons. Our mission is to enrich your life with our innovative and unique range of decorative lighting. And they do. They have quite a bit of things that you can see on their website. Here's the box. So it's got a cord and it looks like it's got function right there. It comes in a nice bag. It's got a little instruction manual in there. I believe the one that I picked out has 200 lights on a strand, and it's got 8 different settings. And the settings are steady on, in waves, sequential, slow go, chasing flash, slow fade, twinkle flash, combination, and off. It's also got a timer on it, so 6 hours on, 18 hours off. That's awesome. Set it and forget it. But these are the little fairy lights. This is nice too because, as you can see, this is much more compact. This is a lot more bulky. Probably not something you want to put on your Christmas tree, especially if it's kind of a dinky black one like this one. But this is awesome. So I am going to string these up, turn them on, and show you guys what it looks like. All right, let's take a closer look at these lights. Let's plug them in. Woo! Those babies are bright. Check that out. It is so much fun to see purple, orange, and green together. I'm excited. These are fun. Oh, and it looks like there's already a setting going on. So let's see if we can see some of these different settings. Whoa, like party mode. Maybe steady on. Off. Ooh, that's neat. Kind of like flashing. Blinking. There's a fading mode. Ooh, that's kind of fun. I think there's a combination mode too. This might be combination. Maybe this one is. Fun! So there's all kinds of different settings. I already put 1 strand of lights on the tree and it looks awesome. I'm so excited. And I was kind of worried about how bright they were, but once it gets on the tree, it actually looks really awesome. So I'm going to continue to put the other strand on, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, the lights are on. It looks so good. I forgot to mention that the cord is actually a dark green, but I think it blends in pretty nicely with the black. This is so much fun. It looks so good. I'm gonna keep decorating and I'll show you guys my finished tree. All right, I've got my tree decorated. I pulled out my Beistle die cuts that all have the fun, vibrant colors. So the pinks, blues, greens, purples, there's honeycombs, there's little treat buckets. This is so much fun. I did a blow mold tree the past 2 years, if you remember, and I don't have a lot of die cuts up because of my shelves, so this will be fun to have some of them out now, and the fun color ones. So this is great. Well guys, what do you think? I think it turned out awesome. I am so excited to see my die cuts up on this tree. I think this will be super fun for this year. The lights look awesome. I love them and I cannot wait until nighttime to see it in full effect. I think it is gonna look so cool. And then of course it's gonna cast lights all over the room, which will be fun to see. I really want to encourage you to go check out their website. They have so many different lights for so many different occasions. They even have remote controlled lighting that I think I am going to get for Christmas. I would love to do my Christmas tree and a bunch of really fun, warm fairy lights. I'm kind of tired of those big bulbs. So I would definitely be picking some out for myself for the Christmas season. I'd love to know if you guys decorate a Halloween tree for the Halloween season. Do you guys have a black tree, or do you take a regular Christmas tree and do something fun with it? Maybe you have a candy corn color tree. I don't know. Let me know. And how do you guys decorate it? Do you do die cuts? Do you do blow molds? Do you have those really beautiful, fun, you know, Christopher Radko ornaments? Or maybe you make your own. Is it a Nightmare Before Christmas themed tree? All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video, and we will see you next time.